Click the link in the description below to receive our free Building Mental Muscle newsletter, and for a limited time, get these 10 classic best-selling Law of Attraction books for free. We hope you enjoy this presentation. If so, please click the like button and click the subscribe button below to receive notification when we release new recordings. Richard Hargraves presents Your Faith is Your Fortune by Neville Goddard. First published 1941. This audio edition recorded 2023. Digitally narrated using the voice of Jeff Masters for buildingmentalmuscle.com. Copyright 2023 Iron Power Publishing. All rights reserved. Your Faith is Your Fortune by Neville Goddard. Chapter 25. 23rd Psalm. 1. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. 2. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. 3. He leadeth me beside the still waters. Commentary. 1. My awareness is my Lord and Shepherd. That which I am aware of being is the sheep that follow me. So good a shepherd is my awareness of being, it has never lost one sheep or thing that I am aware of being. My consciousness is a voice calling in the wilderness of human confusion, calling all that I am conscious of being to follow me. So well do my sheep know my voice, they have never failed to respond to my call, nor will there come a time when that which I am convinced that I am will fail to find me. I am an open door for all that I am to enter. My awareness of being is Lord and Shepherd of my life. Now I know I shall never be in need of proof or lack the evidence of that which I am aware of being. Knowing this, I shall become aware of being great, loving, wealthy, healthy, and all other attributes that I admire. 2. My awareness of being magnifies all that I am aware of being, so there is ever an abundance of that which I am conscious of being. It makes no difference what it is that man is conscious of being, he will find it eternally springing in his world. The Lord's measure, man's conception of himself, is always pressed down, shaken together, and running over. 3. There is no need to fight for that which I am conscious of being, for all that I am conscious of being shall be led to me as effortlessly as a shepherd leads his flock to the still waters of a quiet spring. 4. He restoreth my soul, he leadeth me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. 5. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me, thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. 6. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of mine enemies, thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. 7. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Commentary. For, now that my memory is restored, so that I know I am the Lord and beside me there is no God, my kingdom is restored. My kingdom, which became dismembered in the day that I believed in powers apart from myself, is now fully restored. Now that I know my awareness of being is God, I shall make the right use of this knowledge by becoming aware of being that which I desire to be. 5. Yes, though I walk through all the confusion and changing opinions of men, I will fear no evil, for I have found consciousness to be that which makes the confusion. Having in my own case restored it to its rightful place and dignity, I shall, in spite of the confusion, outpicture that which I am now conscious of being. And the very confusion will echo and reflect my own dignity. 6. In the face of seeming opposition and conflict I shall succeed, for I will continue to outpicture the abundance that I am now conscious of being. My head, consciousness, will continue to overflow with the joy of being God. 7. Because I am now conscious of being good and merciful, signs of goodness and mercy are compelled to follow me all the days of my life, for I will continue to dwell in the house, or consciousness, of being God, good, forever. End of chapter. If you enjoyed listening to this recording, please click the like button and click the subscribe button below to receive notification when we release new recordings. Click the link in the description below to receive our free Building Mental Muscle newsletter, and for a limited time, get these 10 classic best-selling Law of Attraction books for free.